There we go. Where are we going, Bear? We're following Bear now. Back, kinda? How are we looking? Getting more stable? We doing good? Cool. Awesome. Sorry about that. Well, I officially know where not to walk. At least over there. My connection just stops working altogether. Hey, Bear. Oh. Awesome. That tree. What is the quality like? I have no idea what this looks like for you guys. Let's go near this creepy tree. This is the start of the horror movie. 720p? This thing's choosing to do 720p, but my connection is dog doo-doo. Bear, be careful, buddy. A bit blocky. Hey, buddy. I have a cappuccino waiting for me in the car. That's all I can think about right now. Let's go down this really uneven path. It's like black and white with color. Well, black and white looks kind of cool. I'm getting attacked by trees. This literally is like Blair Witch. We should come back here at night with a flashlight. Yo! You guys want to do that? You know, a spooky nighttime forest stream? Forest stream, hell yeah. Well, I know what we're doing for Halloween. Actually, I got a pretty cool idea for something I want to do for a Halloween stream. But I can't tell you. Because if I told you, it would make it that much less cool. Do homeless people hang out in the woods at night? They should. So I just stumbled onto a path, and I don't know which path this is. I know this forest pretty well. I have no idea where this is. Wait, hold on. If I look at it like this... Oh, shit! Okay, I know where I am. You guys want to go to a quarry? If we're lucky, they'll detonate something today. Have dog. This is actually fun. I wasn't sure if this would work or not, but it's kind of fun. I just hope the quality's like decent. What are you smelling? Ask Bear. Hey, I can't click that link. I'm on a phone. Your phones are trash. But I'll check the VOD later. It's good enough? Okay. How is that all the way over there? I can't zoom in, so you can't really see it. Wait, hold on. Right there. That brown thing. I'd be surprised if you guys can see it. That's cool. This is in 720 though. 720, 10 kilobits per second. SGDQ starts soon. Anyone good running this year? Everyone that I know that applied didn't get in. Feels bad, man. I want to root some friends on. If you're lucky, maybe you'll stumble across a working GoldenEye cartridge. What the fuck is that smell? There's always a few games that are worth it. I just like having it on in the background. Yeah, pretty much. I just put on SGDQ and work on stuff. It's really good background sound. Bear's he's 110 pounds. He's a big ass dog. Not that thick. Thing about labs is if you're not like jogging them constantly, they what is that? Are you fat shaming my dog? Are you fat shaming my dog, new thing? Is that what you're doing right now? Two and a half bears. What did Polka Jabba do? The madman. Hey, we got another path right here. But it was short-lived anyway. When my friend's dad came in the room and he was like, "Hey, you allowed to play that game?" And I was like, "Yeah, man, look, I'm playing it right here." "Okay, I'm gonna call your mom." And then I was like, "Wait! Did you just lie to me? Did you just lie to me? Did you just lie to me?" How the hell could I quote that on the spot like that? "Did you just lie to me?" "No." "Oh, okay." There you go. Wait, did Polka Jabba do a big old dono to DGDS? Why is he the madman? Other than the fact that he's, you know, he's Polka freaking Jabba. The Bear Witch Project. That's actually incredibly clever. I think if I made a horror movie, I know what I'd call it now. He's throwing bits at me? I can't, really? I can't see him. I can't see him. Also, profanity, thanks so much for the $20 donation. I'm sorry I can't tell when fuck. Okay, well, now we know for next time, turn on the bot before I go. Just find work as a fucking voice actor already. Hey man, I'd love to do it. I really would. I owe Polka one Madden. Okay. There you go, there's the Madden. I hope that wasn't too loud. I apologize. And how they go now. Bum 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 ba 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 ba. Watch someone be around this corner. Alright, did he get it? Did he get it? No, you tilted the cartridge. You screwed up, dude. Thank you for the 95 bits, Poke freaking Jabba, and the 110 biddies for John Madden. Hey Bear, where are we going? So I think this place is closed on Sunday, so we should be fine. And just hang out, explore. Did we get you with the men? Oh my God! Poke freaking Jabba. That John man. No, I can't muster up a fake response to Madden. The moment I do that, it's the moment I want to shut down my channel. Watch me drop my phone, my brand new phone. There we go. Ryustain, what is going on? FB touchdown here. Look, here's like two hands going up. Wait, or it'd be more like that. There you go. Here's 3 subs. Hold on. Bear! Bear, speak! Here, come here. Come on. Come on. Hey, speak! See if I can get him to do it. He seems tired. Usually I don't get him to do tricks on walks. Bear, 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 bear! Chris Killa, you take care, buddy. Thanks so much for stopping by. And, I think we're hanging out with me and Bear on our cozy 8th birthday of my dog. There's a fucking mosquito on my glasses. Get out of here. Bear! Bear, speak! Wait, sit. Gotta get him in the mood to do tricks. Sit! Sit! Speak! Speak! He's tired. No, speak! Speak! If I had a treat, I already gave him the donut. Bear, speak! Speak! Ah, he's tired. I'm not gonna bug him. I'll trigger it on the next stream. Just remind me. And thank you so much for that resub, buddy. 30 more days of love. And as I guess I gotta go through my speech. Well, we got new emotes coming along. Every day I'm working on emotes, 24 hours a day. You know they're coming. No, I actually do got 3 more emotes coming. It's not a lie. I just I don't like adding emotes that I don't feel like we'll get a use. So there's been emotes that we've doodled out, and I'm like, I love it. I just don't think it'll be good. Because Blackadder, what's going on? I finally caught a stream. Leon Moongoomer knows exactly where I am. Well, I am in the Manatic Forest. They're using for Amazon Prime, and the big streamers got enough, you know. Yeah. Dude, there's some poo on the ground right there. Here, let's go this way. Actually, let's go this way. What a dog. Hope I got a gun. Yeah, I got one right here. Do 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 do. What's going on? I'm behind you. When I was a kid, I used to do this, like for real. I'd be like, okay, I'm playing an FPS. Okay, let's play it like a controller, like a total dum dum. All right, let's play it like a mouse with too much sensitivity. Oh shit, I gotta turn that down. My DPI is too high. Okay, let's turn it down so low that my DPI is barely, it's like 2. It's going across the whole desk. I'm dead. I need to find some armor, man. Stalker 2 leaked footage. Oh crap, it's a bloodsucker. You're not saving the game enough? Shit. You're right. Actually, I have LTE. Well, this is where we can't go any farther. Right there. It's private property. No, actually it's not. It's an abandoned quarry. Well, at least the line right there is. So. How much data I got? I got unlimited. And it's only 40 bucks a month Canadian, which is like 30 bucks a month US. You're wearing brown pants? I'm wearing green shorts. Look at this knee. Oh, I'm pasty as hell. Sorry, the abandoned quarry requires DLC. Yep. Boop. I can't go any farther. Bear. Well, Bear got the DLC. That's pretty good, hey dude. Holy crap. Return to the combat zone. What's going on, small koi? Come on, Bear. We no go that way. We gotta turn around. We're fucked up. I'm not buying a DLC, not today. I'm wearing a freaking hood. It's making me hot. I just don't want to get bit by mosquitoes. All I can think about is that cappuccino in the car. Restart mission. I'm behind you. Are you behind me? Oh, you tricked me. Oh, my bad. I'm behind you. Oh, never. What? I thought it was a typo. Maybe. You sure? Man, you gotta stop messing with me. Hoodie in the summer? No, it's just like a loose hoodie. It's like a really thin one. Oh, I can't see you? Crap, man. Just don't backstab me. I can't take that kind of crit damage. Oh yeah. Cap is a must. Plus well, it was really sunny, now it's overcast. I got Bear 2 donuts for his 8th birthday. I'll do something better next week. I'm just celebrating it today with him. He's my buddy. You one of those, guess I'm coming to Manitic. Collar cam? I totally do that. Commander Oddball. I salute you, my friend. Good morning. Were you already in here? Did I just not greet you? I can just imagine some guy overhearing you. You must sound like a madman. Who's behind me? Bear's like, what? You been here since the start of stream? I'm sorry. I have slow brain today. I overslept, slept in. Got up at like 9, like 8:30 or something. One day. Well, Leon, I'm doing a stream thing in October for Halloween. I might need some extra hands. We got a couple of people coming up for a big secret Halloween stream. Don't tell anyone. And I hope you guys don't hear the wind. It's getting windy. Oh no, we got to the next area. Graphics are pretty real for retro. Hold on, maybe I can block the mic. Is that working? I can't tell. Can you guys hear the wind? Mission level 2. Out of the forest and into the quarry. Hey Bear, you tired? Yeah, he's tired. He ain't got the energy he used to. My FPS is dropping. Really? Is this the new real life graphics update? Looks terrible. Okay, that was kind of loud. Oops. I hope you guys aren't hearing the wind. And if I am dropping, hold on, let me go back. Am I still dropping? I don't want to walk out of my range again. It's okay? Okay. Ever so slightly? Okay. That's all I need to know. I need to pull up my sleeve. I'm a dum-dum. If I drop this phone, there's no warranty on it. I'm fucked. Yeah, this is your ASMR stream with me, Barley, and Bear. I hope it starts raining, because it'll get rid of the mosquitoes. Borbs. My dude, profanity. And a breathing bear. And he's so tired today, I don't know why. Normally he's got a lot more energy than this. Maybe 8's hitting him harder than I expected. Bear needs some milk. Shady Streams, my man, what is going on? You got some hot sauce on your nose? What are you doing putting it on your nose, my dude? Make that bagged milk. Your month without a cigarette and Bear's birthday. Well, dude, keep it up, for real. My mom was a smoker for most of her life, so we're dealing with the outcome of that. But she's been quit for a few years now, and she's doing a lot better. Heading to Tim's Barley, you inspire me. Hell yeah. Let's give me a French vanilla cappuccino. We'll be all gravy. In or on, that's a big difference. Shitty, how you doing, buddy? Maybe I should start doing bear walk streams more often. This is fun. Wait, you spilled ghost chili sauce on my hand an hour ago. Well, you gotta wash your hand, you dingling. I gotta remember to keep my camera facing up for you guys. Doing good, my man. Dude, it is Bear's birthday. 8 years old, my baby boy has grown up. I don't want to admit it, but I'm doing pretty good. Holy crap! What the hell is that at the bottom left? It's telling me I have 424,000 people watching me right now. What the f- Okay, anyway. I highly doubt I have the population of a small city watching me, but if there is, hi, I'm Barley. You did wash them, Bear approved. You've never smoked, but you also got an e-cig. I'm considering getting an e-cig. Not even for quitting, it's just like, you know, idle hands. It's just something to keep me busy when I'm bored. Big baby Bear. I think it's time for Bear to grow up, get a job, move out. There it is, boys. The payload. When you were 8, you had a PLC company, and you're whooping your own ass. Bear, step up already. One day, Bear, this will all be yours. Keep you occupied. Okay, Bear, be careful. There's a big old cliff up here. And if you fall, hey, you dingling. Hey, Bear, get over here. Come here. Turn around. Wow, so this is Canada. Yeah, so this is Ottawa, the capital of our nation. That's downtown over there. All the igloos have melted for the summer, but we'll build them back up. I'll bear up like Simba from The Lion King. What, the curtains? You're vaping strawberry milk at the moment. Holy shit, hey dude, that sounds really good. What is that shadow area down there? That's America. You must never go there. Yeah, you can actually get over there and it's like these giant cliffs you can look down. I ain't gonna do it. Cause I ain't gonna risk my little dog here being a dum-dum getting too close to the cliff. Was there a Dragon Ball Z battle there? Yeah, that's where the last political election happened. The Battle Royale. Level 3? Yeah, level 3's the quarry. Oh, and let's go over here. There's a squeaky tree. It's really creepy. Let's see if it's still squeaking. That's Manitoba. I'm literally closer than you're in the UK. Yeah, that's something that people in Europe don't realize is North America is big, and it's only 2 countries, and it's pretty spread out. That's the cool thing about Europe is just like you drive for an hour and a half and you're in another country. Drive for another 2.5 and you're in yet another country. Well, there it is, folks. I don't got the DLC. I can't go past that point. Well, the squeaky tree ain't squeaking today. That's a disappointment. Someone give me DLCs. Yeah, and then you got the huge culture jumps between each country. You can throw a stone out your window and hit England. That's crazy profanity. See, it's like that it's just a foreign concept to me because I'm just so used to the size of North America. I hit that tree. Showing nature who's boss. "76 miles across? Holy moly. Sweden has 10 million? Got some friends in Edinburgh. That's about it. Sweden is around 10 million and we're still everywhere. Going from the bottom to top of Norway, it takes about 25 to 30 hours though. Yeah, it's like Ontario. It's just a single province in Canada. And it can take you like almost 2 days to drive across it. If you started at like the very south point and try to drive to like Winnipeg. Yeah, Bear got tired pretty quick. He's getting old. His 8th birthday. What is that in dog years? 8 times 7 was that 57? I just do terrible math. I don't know. 56. I said some. Yeah, 56. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna have to carry him. Come on, Bear. We've got a little bit more to go. I'll give him a nice big old bowl of water when we get back. How many hours in the car? My trip? Like home, or are you talking about later this year? Nice bowl of bagged water. Freshly sealed. There's here. About 100 hours, I think. Whereas, like, we couldn't have walked the store. I'm still waiting to get murdered out here. Where's this big spooky monster? Beer for dogs? Killer clown. Yeah, that's what's gonna get me. Bear won't let you get hurt. Big spooky monster John Man. Yeah, John Man's waiting for me in the woods. Man, what does that smell? Okay, monsters will try and kill you, but before that, They'll apologize before and after. Yeah, bring it on, Moose. I know you guys weigh like 3,000 pounds, but fuck it. Sorry, I gotta do this. Ugh. I'm so sorry. Okay, Bear, you big tired dog. Let's head back. You're such an old dog now. All right, everybody, let's head back to the car. He's all pooped. He knows where to go. Let's follow him. Across the comedy thing, we're tell Bear we love him. Bear, everybody loves you, buddy. You watched a comedy thing where it was a Canadian guy getting mugged. He doesn't have anything on him to be stolen, so he apologizes for wasting the robber's time. I saw a skit where they came in and robbed the TV. I think the Canadians came home. They wouldn't let him leave because they wanted to give him dinner and stuff like that first. He's a big boy now. Mantis Toboggan's Magnum Dong. That's a hell of a name, buddy. I dig it. Still terrified I'm gonna drop my phone here. If I drop my phone, my life is over. So all in all, I guess the only way I can know for sure is watch the VOD later. But like, how's the quality overall with all this when it's actually working? Someone was saying earlier it's like super blocky or something. So I wouldn't mind doing more streams like this. This is fun. Look out for that anthill, buddy. Let's be Daywalk. Harrington, what's going on, buddy? I can't speak for all of Canada, but I do know I myself apologize a lot. Like, over everything. Even when I shouldn't. It's almost like a social tick. And I do know, like, at least in Canada, you bump into someone, 99% chance you're both gonna apologize. Well, Harrington, I'm glad you could come along. It's like 40 people walking through the woods right now with my dog. Oh, get off me, you mosquito. Alright, the mosquitoes are coming back. Sleeves are going up. Or down, rather. You apologize as well, Hoga Jabba? Yeah, we apologizers. Yep. Sorry. Hey, mosquito, leave my dog alone. I'm gonna start a speedrunning event at my house and call it Bearathon. Bearathon. And it's all about running dog-related games. It's gonna be like the original SGDQ or AGDQ. The worst is when you apologize so much that you start apologizing for things you never need to. Yeah, that's pretty much the state of my mental being right now. Dogs Without Borders. We have a $22 donation from... Shit, I'm trying to remember the name of Hampy's dog. I remember the breed. I don't remember the name. Beethoven on SNES. Nintendogs. Bear, you're looking so tuckered out, buddy. I didn't even walk that far. How long has this walk been? You're detailing a car? Profanity, my dude. What you detailing? I need deets. My arm is being held up for this entire time. Tough time no one will ever know. 40 minutes? It's only been 40 minutes, buddy. Why are you so tired? He's just getting old. I refuse to acknowledge that he's getting any older than one. Try to remember the basics of CQC. Black Golf GT. I like golfs. If I could buy anything, it'd be from Volkswagen anyway. What's their like 4-door car? Like the normal one, the sedan. It's a nice little trail. Yeah, it's the return trip. We gotta bid farewell. No, not Passat. It's like their entry-level car. Either way, I'd like to get one of those turbo diesel wagon and stick. What is it called? Why can't I think of it? Yep. Guys, I'm getting swarmed by mosquitoes. This is dumb. I sprayed myself with off, did nothing. It actually did nothing. It's terrible. It's a GTA with hybrid 1.4 gas and electric. But that thing has a lot of torque. Probably doesn't go very fast. Oh wait, gas and electric. Isn't the whole cool thing about electric motors is that they just kind of, like, the torque is just right there. It just goes. Jetta, thank you. Matthew Kleinendam. I'd like to get a Jetta wagon if I was to buy a Volkswagen. If I was rich, I'd get a Tesla. Autopilot. Like 4 seconds, 0 to 60. Well, we did it, guys. Level 5, as I'm behind you, was saying. This is it. This is the final stretch. Final boss is my car. We gotta get in it. It's one of those shitty bosses where it's no skill. It's just like pre-scripted. He's gotta do the right things. If you're rich, you'd hire a butler to drive you around and call you Bruce Wayne. You guys, a QTE boss coming up. Yeah, yes, sir. It's QTE boss. Borrow bat. Its time is limited. Mr. Wayne. Barry, you're so tuckered out. I'm walking faster than you now. You all good, buddy? Make sure to turn a couple of fans on for him when he gets home. Hit B instead of A and locked in car again. Yep, game over screen. Snake! Snake! Steve French, my dude. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good noon. Oh my god, the blood has drained out of my arm. And all I can think about is that cappuccino. The RE4 Spanish music. Didn't I, in RCS, I put that on the radio at some point? Whoa, where am I? How's the weather? Oh, it's overcasty. It's nice and breezy. Jeez, just walked into a hole. There's cars over there. We're off the main road here. Hold on. Where's my keys? Now here's the QTE. Bear, what are you doing? There we go. Drink? Fucking get out of here, Waterbot. Well, guess what? No, you can't. Oh, fuck, it's hot in here. Oh. Yeah, Bear, I'm hot too. Calm down. Sick Tims. It's the only boots I got. Leave me alone. It rained. It's mud everywhere. I'm not wearing my Vans and that shit. But what the fuck is going on? Why is she chasing the... What's going on? Alright. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a fofo. Oh. Meachums, what is going on? Everyone's getting in as I'm wrapping up. First thing I'm doing when I get home is just drinking a whole glass of water. Maybe I'll go back to Tim Hortons to get a smoothie. Happy birthday to Beat! Bear, what are you doing? Calm down. Put this in the back seat. Ugh. Hey, Bear. Jesus. Happy birthday to, what's his name? Kangaroo? AJ. Jesus, I got a big scratch in my leg. No, it's not that big. I don't know what that's from. Oh boy. I also don't have AC in my car. It's incredibly obnoxious. Leg cam. Reported again. No, I'm wearing shoes this time. Bears beats Battlestar Galactica. I wonder how noisy the stream is right now. Oh wait, here, look at that. Oh, what's there we go. Beef. I could barely read your name. It was like black on dark. No, I'm out of. It needs to be recharged. I'm just stupid and I haven't gotten it done yet. Usually I do it myself, but for some reason it's not taking any pressure in the line, so I need to bring it in and get it looked at. And spending money on cars is annoying. because it's never cheap. So I'm just kind of putting it off. Stream off while I'm driving. Well, I'm just winding down, then I'm probably gonna end the birthday stream here. It's been a nice cozy 1 hour stream of Walking Bear. He's all tuckered out. Sam. Do you see how much my arm is shaking? That's from Bear. Good night, Sam. Holy crap. Bear, calm down. What are you doing, dude? Alright, I need to get him some water for real. Whoa! Went out of focus. Oh, Beecham's, you still there? Thirsty Bear, don't worry. He's gonna get lots of... I'm getting lots of water when I get home, too. I honestly might go get a smoothie. I'm in the mood for, like, something really, really refreshing and cold. This, Larea. Cheers. Doink. Oh, Meachums, Dieter got back to me about the PS1. He's gonna send me another one. Apparently he's tested this one. He tested the last one on the burnt game, and that was it. This time he's tested on other stuff. Sam, you have a great night, and thank you so much for hanging out. I'll catch you later. Respect plus. But yeah, so he sent in a new PS1. I should get it middle next week. This one better work. Well, hopefully it works. I mean, shit happens. Whatever. Sam X2, the gay man. My car. But he's shaking the actual car. So we're out in the... This is why my phone was dropping at times. Because we're literally out in the middle of nowhere. Does it run Crisis? Is that some Ben Bortons? There's some Ben Bortons. Those power lines? Yeah. When I see power lines, I think of Harvester. I like that red herring that's on the roof of the house that I realized, like, for the entire game, I was like, how are we gonna get that? I don't know if you guys can see it. There's like a big ass ant. Nah, you can't see it. Weak. I thought we were in the future. I thought we were in 4K live stream. That game was a fucking bad trip. I was gonna drink my cappuccino and then we're gonna say night night. I'll be back on the Discord. And I'll stream tomorrow as well. Or I'll try to stream tomorrow anyway. I don't know what I'm gonna play. Probably I don't know. I got this Toonstruck. Yeah, I do want to play more point and clicks. The next major game I'm gonna play, I might just honestly start it tomorrow. I was gonna do a smaller game in between. But Bear, holy moly, my dude. Holy shit. Calm down. You want some chest scratches? Here you go. Alright, I'm just gonna pet him. He's really tuckered out, so I really should get home soon. But yeah, next game I'm gonna probably play is a Medieval. Donated by... Was that Peppy Doggy? I know Pokejamba donated the cat lady. Meachums, you take care, buddy. I'm almost done my cappuccino. Would it be worth doing another unboxing for my next PS1? It's just literally Medieval? Dude, Medieval 1 was like one of my favorite PS1 games of all time. I played the hell out of that game. Speaking of, I need to go look on eBay for prices of that, because I want to buy that, Rayman 2 for N64. I'm gonna buy all the cheaper games and then focus on getting expensive games later, because game prices are getting ridiculous. Unboxings are always worth it. Well, I just got a Genesis. I should have done an unboxing for that. I don't know why I didn't. That was a missed opportunity. But the Genesis is super clean. I think the next console I want to buy is an original Xbox. Meachums, what do you think of the original Xbox? I know you're a Sony guy. Missing out on that CPM. Give me my ad revenue. YouTube. Yeah, I really want to get an original Xbox. I think they're freaking weird. Like, weird in a good way. Like, it's the same way that, like, the Saturn is a weird console. It's just, that's what makes it good. I never hear people talk about the original Xbox anymore. Barry, where you are shaking this car is something fierce, bud. Best modded console? Yeah. Well, they were like the original modded console. I mean, people modded PS2s and all that shit. But it was like the original Xbox was literally known for its modding capabilities. Meachums, I have a 360, but it red ringed about 5 years ago. My buddy is offering to give me his, so I might just take him up on that. But that'd be later in October. If I was to get an original Xbox, do you guys think I should go for the original Duke controllers or go for whatchamacallit? The second generation of the controllers. See, I never used the Duke controllers, or maybe those are the only ones I did use. I can't remember. I think they might have been the only ones I did use. Go with the non-Duke. That just might be you. I don't know, I'll look around. After I get the original Xbox, I think the next console I'll want to fill in my collection with would be really, I just got Sega left. I got the Saturn and the Dreamcast. You just get the 360? Yeah, I might just get another one. Save the money. If I can find an original Xbox cheap enough, I'll do that. I'm trying to do it as cheap as I can. I mean, who isn't? If I don't get the Duke, you'll think bad things of me? Alright, you got a good point. You got a good point. I want a Wii U. I think they're cooler than the Wii. Where is Bear? I mean, he's just still panting. And drooling. Ew. But, yeah, I'm gonna head out here in a couple of minutes. Doesn't see me. What the hell does that sound? Get an orange Xbox. You bought a Wii U just as Nintendo decided to release the Switch. Well, honestly, Pokejava, I kind of like the Wii U more than the Switch. It's like Nintendo Saturn almost. It's just this weird console that a lot of people just didn't bother with. Plus, I want to play Mario Maker, if I'm going to be honest. This thing is actually blowing warm air at me. Get the fuck out. Oh, wait, it plays Wii games? Then, hell yeah. I'm just gonna buy a Wii U then, honestly. I didn't know it plays Wii games. That kind of solidified me buying it, knowing that now. Okay, my dudes. It's been super fun. I'm sweating bullets here. It is so hot in this car. And, poor bear back there needs to go get some water. I got the windows down, but we need to get a breeze going in here. I need to go get some, I don't know, might go get a smoothie. But I'll be back home in about 30 minutes. I'll probably jump on Discord and chat away in John Wick. Might get some ideas. And then I'm thinking maybe tomorrow or Tuesday I'll stream a Medieval. What the hell is that? But yeah, I'm thinking tomorrow or Tuesday I'm gonna stream a Medieval. It looks pretty dope. I regret getting rid of my original NES. I need to buy one of those too. I'm just not in a rush to get the original NES. I think I have 3 more. Hold on. I have like 3 more spots on my my splitter because it does 8 into 1. So I'm trying to think. So I'm at 5 with the GameCube. So then original. If it wasn't so far away, take one of mine. Well, no worries, buddy. I'll figure something out. I'll just come to you. I'll just walk over, knock on your door. So probably get OG Xbox. Dreamcast and NES, maybe? I don't know. I have no idea. That would be a shocking for her to explain to my parents. Anyway, my dudes. It has been a blast. It is Bear's birthday. I don't want him panting away in the car, so I'm gonna go get him some nice ice water. And I'll see you guys either tomorrow or the day after. But you guys have a fantastic rest of your very warm Sunday. Take care. And thanks for hanging out.